In this video, let's understand the difference between potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy is the type of energy present in a body due to the property of its state, whereas kinetic energy is the kind of energy present in a body due to the property of its motion. Potential energy is not transferable. Kinetic energy can be easily transformed from one body to another. The determining factors of potential energy include height, distance, and mass. The determining factors for kinetic energy are speed or velocity and mass. Water present at the top of the hill is an example of potential energy. Flowing water is one of the example of kinetic energy. Potential energy is non-relative with respect to nature, whereas kinetic energy is relative with respect to nature.